So you want to download Escape Simulator 2 without overpaying? Don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games legally online through official platforms. So what we need to do is go to Google, open your Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. So the next step will be to go quickly to the Steam website and search up this game before we can continue to the other website to download this game. So quickly open the Steam website. Don't waste too much time over there and search up the game Escape Simulator 2. Select the game, scroll a little bit down and you will find out this game on Steam is €15.29. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. What you need to do is open the video description, click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now here we are going to search for the same game Escape Simulator 2. Now as you can see, we can select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first, and then you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green and then select the game. Once you have opened the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €11.60 compared to the Steam price of €15.29. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!